Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to export or import all orders in WooCommerce WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to export or import WooCommerce order in CSV format. So we are going to install plugin. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin, write order export and order import for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and then you see web coffee import export and then you see export. Select a post type. Now you see order, coupon, product. You see multiple options. So we are in export section. And then you see import. So we select order and then you see step 2, select an export method. So click on it and then you see export order, select an export method, quick export, advanced. So we select advanced and then you see step 3, filter data. So click on it. Now you see total number of order to export, unlimited. If you want you can add some number like 100, 200, 500. So it's up to you. And then you see skip first n order. So you can add number of n order if you want to skip. Now you see skip specified number of order from the beginning of the database. Enter 10 to skip first 10 order from export. Enter order ID separated by comma. If you want you can export specific order using by their order ID. So it's up to you. And then you see order status any. If you want you can select processing on hold completed. So you can select all. So you can select specific also. But order status any, and then you see product. If you want you can add product customer, but we are going to export all WooCommerce order. If you want you can add date, and then you see step 4, map and reorder export column. So click on it. Now you see all thing, column name, enable option, ID, order number, order date, paid date. Now you see if you want you can enable or disable option according to your requirement. And then you see step 5, advanced option, bash report. So click on it. So we are in step 5, exclude already exported. If you want you can enable this. Now you see exclude line item, no. Export line item in separate column, yes. Export file name. So you can add file name if you want. And then you see export in batches of 30. The number of record that the server will process for every iteration within a configured time interval, default to 30, comma, and then click on export. Now you see exporting 60 out of 163. So we are going to export all order in CSV format, and same way you can import it. Now you see import. Now you see export file processing complete, download file. Now click on save. Now save done, open it. So now CSV file open and then you see all detail, order ID, order number. So in this way you can export all WooCommerce order in CSV format. So we are in plugin export again and then you see import. So click on it. So we are in import section. Select a post type. Again select order. And then you see step 2. Select import method. So click on it. Now you see advanced import. Import method. And then drag and drop here. So click on it. So we add it. Now you see. Now file uploaded done. And then you see delimiter, comma. Step 3. Map import column. So click on it. Now you see creating temp file and validating. Now you see default field, order field, file column. If you want you can enable or disable according to requirement. Now you see all option we have and then advanced option. So click on it and then click on import. So in this way you can export and import all WooCommerce order in CSV format. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.